Good morning. It's a new week, and I hope we all had a wonderful weekend. Let's do a brief analysis of how I expect the market to play out today, and we're looking for potential entries. All right. On gold, on the 4 hour, let's confirm where we are still trending. Yes, to the downside. You can see this break right here. Took out this low that's been active for a long while. This break here took out the low and went up a little. This is another break to the downside because this kind of closed below this low right here. You can see that, and this low is still valid. There's nothing below it, neither is anything above this candle right here. There's no close above it, so we are still on the downside on XAUSD. This is the low responsible for the downward push. This one here, uh, the high rather. You can see this low came, there was a little high, and boom, came to the downside, and there's no close below this low yet, neither is there close above this high. So market is just ranging within this little range right here. So that means on gold I'll still be expecting a bearish move. I'll still be expecting a bearish move. On real USD, on the 4 hour broke to the upside there and continue to break again. This is another break from this high right here. You see this high got taken out, and the range that took out the high, or let's say this low that was responsible for this upward push that took out the high, is still, I think I need to remove some things here. The low here is still very valid. So this was a position I analyzed. I was even on this position, but it's still playing out well. So I'll be looking forward to see entries on around this side in the form of the bullish engulfing candle. If price will just come up a little, then maybe give us the entry around there, then we'll push it higher again. USD also on the 4 hour, we've been breaking to the upside from this moment here. This is the break to the upside. There's another break of structure here to the upside. This is a new break to the upside, and this is the low responsible for that. You can see from this low right here, took out this high and took out the previous high. Yeah, this low pushed and took out this previous high. So on the 4 hour, the high got taken out, and that move started from this low. So until there's a close below this low right here, then we start looking for selling opportunities. But now presently, anything that range within this price action here, we'll still be looking for opportunities to buy. And hopefully we see the bullish engulfing candle form to confirm the entry. On GBP card, we are still on the downside. Oh, yeah. On the 4 hour, we broke to the upside around there. You can see this is this breakdown from this moment right there. There's been break to the downside, and that move was there for a while. You can see market broke down again. This is another break of structure to the downside, and this move right there took out the high responsible for breaking. So we broke to the upside around there. We broke to the upside, yeah, around there, because this move right here took out the previous low to form a lower low, and market did come back to take out that low. You can see we have a candle close below it. So now we've continued the downward movement. And on 1 hour, I'll be looking for, you know, yeah, this is one good entry right here from the bearish engulfing. I'll probably take this position, and you can see this white candle got taken out by this black candle, and the black candle just closed below it. That's a very good one in form of an entry. Let's see how wide it is. Okay, that's like 10. That's like 10 pips wide. Just a moment. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to execute that on my MT4 here. Stop losses 1.86377. Okay. All right. So I'll be waiting for the 1:1, and after that one go hit, then I'll break even. So my alert is right there. Waiting for the alert to go off, then I'll break even on this. Take my first partial at 1:3 and the second one at 1:5. All right, to the next pair, TBBAUD. Previously on the 4 hour, I drew this arc during the week last week, and the market continues to break to the downside. You can see this, the eye right here still valid. Oh, I mean the protected eye. Now the new protected eye should be these on the 4 hour. So market did come up, took out this low to form a new lower low, and the price action there looks very funny because I think there was something that happened over the weekend. I can see a very small bullish candle around there, so it should be, yeah. There's a little eye right here. There's a little price action that causes imbalance over the weekend, and market wasn't open then, so I think that's the reason for this gap. So I'll still be expecting it to come to the downside, and I'll be looking for opportunities to sell on 3BAD. On ADSD, so we are on the 4 hour. ADSD finally broke to the upside. This, after this low, this eye got taken out by this candidate to the upside, and this black candle did close below this to form another break of structure. You can see that's clear on the 1 hour. So now the eye responsible for this downward push has been taken out by this eye responsible for this downward push has been taken out by this candle here. So now we are on the upside of the market. We've broken to the upside and start looking for bullish opportunities now on the 1 hour. Hopefully price will come into this imbalance a little, and take it to the upside. I'm expecting to see a little reversal. So around there, and we look for the bullish engulfing candles to buy. On GBP USD, on the 4 hour, let's see where we are. We broke to the downside here, and this is the low responsible for that. And this low right here, okay, there's a new break to the downside. We formed a new lower low from this moment here. Yeah, and price is coming back. This high right here is responsible for that, and it's down the new protected one till there's a close of a candle above it on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, now we'll be looking for opportunities to sell on. This was a loss last week. I'll be looking for opportunities to sell on GBP on USD card. Yeah, I drew this last week. You can see price broke to the downside, and this high was is still valid because there's no close of the candle body above it. It's just the wicks, and price has been trending to the downside. So on the 1 hour, I'll still be looking for engulfing, where you can see a little reversal into this area right here, then take it downward again. The last pair USD also on the 1 hour. This trade I took on the 4 hour time frame here is still valid, but this one right here is a loss. I think no, I broke even on that, yeah. But this one on the 4 hour is still valid, and though I'm not in the position, but you know, it's just a markup. So on the 4 hour, this is a new range we are breaking to the downside here. We broke to the downside here, took out this low from the new lower low, and price has been ranging within this this impulse right here, and there's no close of the candle body above this high on the 4 hour. And on the 1 hour, I'll still be looking for confirmation in the form of the bearish engulfing candles to take a sell position. This is the last pair. Thank you for joining this morning. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the evening.